Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can force uninstall apps on Windows 11. So once you are on the main page, you simply need to click the right mouse cursor here and click on Task Manager. And once you are here, you are in the Performance tab. So let's suppose any app that you want to delete. So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and you simply need to click on End Task. Once you done that, you need to go back and here you need to search for add or remove programs. Click here and you need to search for the app that you want. So I want to delete, let's suppose, Adobe Bridge. So it is on the top. Click the left mouse cursor here and click on uninstall and complete. So this is the process that you need to follow to force uninstall apps on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.